Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Matthew.
And this is our ECP2 project. It's an invisible alarm system that has two parts. It has the IR transmitter and the IR receiver. I'll first be showing you the transmitter, and Matthew will take over with the receiver. The transmitter is pretty simple. It has three major components. So first, I think you can see the emitter array right there. So this is an LED. It's an IR transmitter. This is a 100 microfarad capacitor, and this is a 68 ohm resistor, all connected in series to a 9-volt battery. So the aim of this part of the circuit is to emit rays to the receiver. So the current through the IR LED is 32 milliamps, and it provides a range for the transmitter. The capacitor acts as a buffer to give steady voltage to the IR LED, and this allows a continuous ray of light for the transmitter, for the receiver, sorry. And Matthew will go over how the receiver works.
This technical part right here. This thing right here screams very loudly at you when you put the battery on it, so I'm not going to put it on. As you can see over here, this op amp right here is called a CA3140. It's a high gain op amp, which means that the inputs can be very low. This big ugly resistor you see right here is actually a 10 mega ohm resistor, and it's the feedback resistor. Basically what happens is that when IR rays hit this receiver right here, the receiver generates a photocurrent and makes the current here, the output here, turns it low. And when that's low, it turns off the LED right here and the buzzer. Let's see what happens when we put the battery on. Or here. Right now it's on. Hey Sophia, could you bring that thing closer to here? And now it's off.
When it breaks the connection, it goes off. Like you can see. It also receives rays from the roof, which is pretty weird.
So that must mean that in this room, there's some invisible IRs being emitted from the ceiling.
When you put your hand over it, you put your hand over it.
We need to move back a little bit. Let's move back.
Okay.
Now it's off. But when you put your hand over it, it triggers it. So move it closer.
We also use a remote to test the circuit.
And once I heard that these remotes, they flicker when you click them. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when we do this. Well,
if you notice the rays in your remote, it normally is a blinking light, which is why it's just not consistent. So, where the